visiting Daman, a calm, colorful and fun place, we had our first real problem with Raja.
With these issues, I'm not sure if it's a good idea to switch the engine off, because now the battery needs to get recharged.
But we made it to Surat, the city of textiles and diamonds.
We got 18 kilometers here of wire.
Unfortunately, the troubles with our vehicle are not over yet.
Decided to do a big
Welcome back to Bharat 108. We are Jenny and Adam, an Italian couple who left busy London for a crazy mission. Traveled for over 10,000 kilometers across India aboard an auto rickshaw. Our journey so far. This is where we started. And this is where we are now. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Last night we arrived in Surat.
As you know, it's the city of diamonds and textiles, so we thought we need to see a factory of both.
So how do we do it?
We've been contacted by one of our followers that actually lives here in Surat, and actually we found out that he knows an owner of a diamond factory where the natural diamonds get into some sparkling gems. So they cut in the diamonds there, very good.
Good.
And also he knows a textile factory owner. So we'll see what's gonna happen. For the moment, we're gonna meet with our friend. So
let's go meet him, and then hopefully we can bring you inside these factories. Stay tuned. And this is Ajaz, the owner of Bikers World, a shop full of top quality gear for motorcycles and riders. But that's not all, he's also the founder of Bikers Regiment Surat, a powerful brotherhood of passionate bikers who welcome us like family and had our back when we needed it most throughout our journey. True road heroes.
Guys, all of a sudden, our friend Raja here started to have some knee problems, let's say. He started to do a big and now, thanks to our friend Ajaz from Bikers World in Surat, probably gonna have a look and probably gonna get it fixed, hopefully, because it's actually driving me crazy. It's already bumpy roads, noise, beeping, and plus the oh my god. So our friend Raja here has got a crack.
Wow, that's a big crack.
Yeah, so we need to get it fixed. And it's all done. Our Raja is ready to go again. Oh yeah, look at that. Perfect finish. Very quick solution. Just 2 minutes. Very, very good. Thank you very much. Okay, sir. Thank you.
We left Ajaz's shop and made our way to the textile quarter of Surat. As we got closer, we started hearing it. The loud, steady rhythm of countless looms working non-stop. The noise is intense, almost too much to handle. But hey, we didn't come here for silence, we came here to learn. And this is Krunal, the man behind this powerful roaring textile factory. He opened the doors of his world to us, so we could witness what few ever get to see. The full journey from raw threads to finished fabric, ready to hit the buzzing markets of Surat. The sound is deafening, the walkways are tight and tricky. Walking through the looms feel like stepping into the heart of a living machine. This factory is a world of its own, spread across 3 floors, each one revealing a new chapter in the journey of fabric. At the top floor, raw material is transformed into fine threads, carefully wrapped around bobbins with precision and speed.
Raw material is 300 rupees per kg. The final product is going to be 12 to 30 rupees per meter.
So step 1, from here to here.
Very fast.
From here to here.
Then, on the second floor, a wall of bobbins comes to life. Threads join together, forming a stronger, unified strand, ready for the final stage.
There's 3,500 rolls that they all converge in one piece. That's step number 3.
Down on the ground floor, the real magic begins. The looms thunder into action, weaving those threads into the finished fabric that will soon fill the markets of Surat. Every floor, every sound, every movement, a step closer to the final creation. But before we dive even deeper into this incredible industry, it's time for a quick snack and a proper chat with Krunal, because sometimes the best way to learn is over a cup of chai.
How long have you been in this industry?
Around 20 years.
Did you start or your father start?
I will start.
You start.
Are you from Surat yourself?
Surat. Proper Surat.
Wow, fantastic.
Proper surti.
Proper surti. Oh, good. And how did this idea to start this business come across to you?
He's working from last few years. The Daman and Textile, the main business of Surat.
Yeah.
So he didn't know who the founder of this business, but he's working more than 50 years. He's in industry, his business from past 20 years.
Yeah, okay. And how many workers are inside this factory?
14 to 15.
14 to 15.
Yeah.
Good. And they are all local?
No, from Orissa or Bihar.
Where do they live? They live in the factory or outside?
No, outside.
Outside the factory.
They are quarters for their laborers. And Surat will find the labor most probably coming out of the Surat. And our Surat is known as a mini India because we have the crowd, the people from across the country, from different states.
Where does he sell the fabrics?
Textile market.
Oh, there is a textile market here in Surat.
Yeah, Surat.
Oh, okay. But it's like an overnight market or a day market?
Day market.
Day market, fantastic.
Are your machines operating 24/7?
24/7, yeah.
Wow.
Have you got clients from outside India?
Selling in proper Surat.
They
selling to outside. Bangladesh, Pakistan, Afghanistan, all over India.
Yeah, so
All over.
you produce here and then sell to the market, and then from the market goes everywhere.
Printing or dyeing.
Yes.
We sell in market, they process printing or dyeing.
Yeah.
And then we sell in final product.
Yeah.
So this is the first step.
First step, yeah.
First step is you.
Wow, incredible. How many machines do you have in total?
54 machines, it called looms. This machinery is warping. And outside TFO, 56 looms.
56.
56 machines here to this single place.
How many times did you change the machines? Strong machines.
Strong machines.
So
Wow.
the machines are manufactured here in Surat,
Ahmedabad, Surat.
here in Gujarat.
Yeah.
How much was the investment to start 20 years ago?
1 CR.
1 crore.
1 crore.
1 CR.
Embroidery.
Embroidering?
Yeah.
Oh, I love
So we
embroidering.
go there
Yes.
after finishing this.
Let's go for the embroidering stage.
Wow!
So we've been following our friends
And we are at the next location that we don't know.
now we are gonna figure out soon, I'm sure. Come with us.
So in 2006, Surat faced a big flood. There was water 18 feet high, so to the first floor, everything was destroyed here.
Oh.
Everything was washed away by the flood.
Oh, this is the embroidering.
The final product we have seen,
Yes.
the color, then the embroidery was done.
Oh wow! Wow!
I saw the journey plates.
So we come into this place where we got the finished product that look like this. Look. How many machines are here?
Only two.
Two. So this is one machine.
One machine.
So here we got two machines for embroidery, and they are approximately 80 to 90 lakhs. So that means 90,000 pounds for one machine. Half an hour for each piece. So each piece means top, 2, 3, 4 for all sari.
Depends on stitches.
It depends how many. Yeah.
How much bulky it is?
Yeah. Okay. So, but roughly one full sari, half hour.
3,000 stitches, so you get the 50 rupees of bonus. You will do the whole leg and you get the 100 rupees of bonus. The scheme for employees who are working over here.
Where the machine is.
Okay.
Made in China.
So this is the design. The thread broke, so the machine stopped, and now we're ready to go. Easy fix. So thank you so much to our friend that has been so kind to show us all the process from raw material to finished product here in Surat. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Come again.
I will. All the best. He's coming in the evening. Oh, very good, very good. So we'll see in the evening. Our rough diamond turns to a beautiful jewel. Yeah.
Let's go.
All scanner things done over here.
Sari magari re ma pani da ba ma pani sari magari sani da ba magari ba